there is a story, a story of a kind about Ed and Pete being living in Ottawa doing their PhD and really looking for something special themselves. And they were still Jesuits. And it was, I guess, in 60s, maybe. No, it would have been later than that. I can't remember the years exactly. And Gene lived in New York, and Ed and Pete decided to go and meet Gene and ask him some questions. And Ed was always kind of well, not in charge, but the one who is more outspoken in direct way. And then, so they came to Gene's door, and the description of the whole incident was so funny that, you know, they were in Jesuit clothes yet still. and Gene was in an apartment, and there were just boxes to sit on somewhere, not really anywhere to sit. And Gene was quiet for a while when they came in, and the two of them were thinking, oh, you know what? And he was quiet, and he says, "You're okay, guys. We're going to be okay." So Ed said, "I want to ask you something." So Ed asked Gene, "Do the steps you call focusing make the felt shift happen? Or is there another factor at work?" And Gene was very quiet for a while. And then he said, "Steps don't make it happen." And then a little bit quiet. And then he said, "There is what you guys call grace as this factor."
Nice that he used language from their tradition.
That's right. And then he said, Ed said, "We are in business. The felt sense and felt shift has two things that are support that we call in religion different. Felt sense is a doorway, and in felt sense, when some shift happens, there is energy in it. You feel different. You are uplifted. You know that something happened, and this is what in Christian language is called grace. So then this energy that your body perceives, and it's not that you made it.
Yeah.
So it's the grace. And the other thing is that there is information in it. There is new thing that comes that changes things. And that information is called revelation. The information is kind of in Christian language, revelation.
Revelation. So the felt sense has those two qualities. It has the quality of grace, because we don't make it happen, but somehow we have to be open to it, I guess.
That's right. It comes.
It comes. And when it comes, it offers revelation, new information about something.
New information. That symbol, when you have an image of something, is not a replica of what you are feeling, but it's interacting with your feltness. Mm-hmm. I don't know if I explain it properly, so I'll let you judge.
Well, let me say it back to you, that what Gene would say is that the symbol that comes when you're focusing the symbol isn't some kind of explanation of the felt sense.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's not some kind of equivalency. It's not like the symbol is somehow the answer.
That's right.
The symbol
The
is,
symbol interacts with,
it
with
interacts with the felt sense.
right.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.